Students, welcome to my second online class in my subject Logic and Philosophy, and my today's topic is the characteristics of scientific induction. Before that, in my last class, I have given some discussion or some analysis on various types of induction. Let us again repeat it. Induction may be classified into two types: induction proper and induction improperly so called. Induction proper can be divided into three types, that is scientific induction, unscientific induction and analogy. Induction improperly so called may be classified into three types, that is perfect induction, parity of reasoning and colligation of facts. অসমীয়াত ক'বলৈ গ'লে আগমন আমি দুই ভাগত ভাগ কৰিব পাৰিছো, এটা হল প্ৰকৃত আগমন আৰু এটা হল আগমনাভাস। প্ৰকৃত আগমনক আমি তিনি ভাগত ভাগ কৰিব পাৰিছো, এটা হল বৈজ্ঞানিক আগমন, অবৈজ্ঞানিক আগমন আৰু সাদৃশ্যানুমান। আৰু আগমনাভাস তিনি ধৰণৰ: পূৰ্ণ আগমন, যুক্তি সাদৃশ্যানুমান আৰু ঘটনা সংযোজন। এতিয়া মই প্ৰথমতে বৈজ্ঞানিক আগমন দি স্টাৰ্ট কৰিম। Scientific induction. Let us start the definition of scientific induction. Scientific induction is the establishment of a general real proposition based on observation of facts in reliance with the principle of uniformity of nature and the law of causation. Scientific induction is the establishment of general real proposition. For example, A is mortal, B is mortal, C is mortal, D is mortal. Therefore, all men are mortal. Here we presume that A, B, C, D all are human beings. From this above definition, we can find the following characteristics of scientific induction. Number one, it establishes general real proposition. Number two, it establishes real proposition. Here there is a leap from known to the unknown, that means from some to all, and it is based on principle of uniformity of nature and the law of causation. Now, it establishes general real proposition. It establishes general proposition because its conclusion is more general than the premises. In deductive inference, we find that conclusion is less general than the premises, but here the conclusion in induction, conclusion is more general than the premises. Then it is real proposition. It is real proposition because here we are getting the connotation of man, which is not included in the normal connotation of man, that is animality and rationality. It is all men are mortal, so mortality is a new word, so this is called real proposition. Here we find leap from known to the unknown. That means we know A, B, C, D, but we are not concerned about the all human being of this world, but depends on this fact we are making an inductive leap. The observation of this some facts, we are making a leap, making a jump to form the proposition all men are mortal. So from four facts of observation we are coming to the conclusion about all men. So that is the inductive leap, and I like to say inductive leap is the essence of induction. And the last one is it is based on principle of uniformity of nature and the law of causation. It based on these two law. This is a very important thing. Two law. These two law are formal grounds of induction. Actually, principle of uniformity of nature and the law of causation. So here I can say, as because scientific induction is based on the principle of uniformity of nature and the law of causation, so its conclusion is certain. Now, the point is this, that in scientific induction mainly we are establishing general real proposition. That is the main fact. অসমীয়াত ক'বলৈ গ'লে আমি এটা সামান্য বচন প্ৰতিষ্ঠা কৰিছো কেইটামান বস্তুৰ ওপৰত অবজাৰভেশ্যন কৰি, আৰু তাৰপিছত আমি প্ৰকৃতিৰ একৰূপতা বিধি আৰু কাৰ্যকৰণ বিধিৰ ওপৰত ভিত্তি কৰিছো। আৰু সেইকাৰণে বৈজ্ঞানিক আগমনত আমি যিহেতু প্ৰকৃতিৰ একৰূপতা বিধি আৰু কাৰ্যকৰণ বিধিৰ ওপৰত ভিত্তি কৰিছো, গতিকে ইয়াৰ যিটো সিদ্ধান্ত ওলাইছে সেই সিদ্ধান্তটো সদায় নিশ্চিত হ'ব বুলি ধৰা হৈছে। ইয়াত সম্ভাৱনাত্মক সিদ্ধান্ত নহয়, এইটো এটা নিশ্চিত ধৰণৰ এক্সাম্পল, নিশ্চিত ধৰণৰ এটা সিদ্ধান্ত হ'ব বুলি ধৰি লোৱা হৈছে। গতিকে ইয়াত আমি কি যেটো বস্তু আমি যেটো আজি যে বস্তুখিনি আমি ডিসকাস কৰিলো ইয়াৰ পৰা এটো এটা ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট টপিক আৰু এটো সদায় আমাৰ হায়াৰ সেকেন্ডাৰী যেটো সিলেবাস আছে তাতে আহে গতিকে তোমালোকে ভালকে এটো চাবা in my next class I will discuss with another topic that is বৈজ্ঞানিক আগমন বা induction unscientific induction thank you